We've been hearing some inspiring stories of heroism and selflessness during Tropical Storm Florence. Our next guest is a physician who decided to ride out the storm. He's in hard-hit Wilmington, staying there so he could care for his patients. Dr. Ben Wall joins us on the telephone now from Wilmington, North Carolina. So first, doctor, we really commend your action, your desire to help to stay there. What are the conditions like where you are right now?
Right now, it's not that bad. The bands are starting to lift. The winds are calming down a little bit, and the rain has diminished a little bit. We're really fortunate here compared to some of our neighbors in the rest of the state, like up in New Bern and Morehead City. I know also up in Kinston in a few days, all that rain from inland is going to come down, and they're really going to be hit hard. So we really feel like we've dodged a bullet down here, although we have had a lot of problems.
Yeah, officials, though, I mean, they expect the Cape Fear River, which runs right through the heart of Wilmington. You know, the Riverwalk and all those restaurants there, it's just going to go barrel right through. And they've ordered a mandatory evacuation for folks within 1 mile of the river. So why did you're a little beyond, you're beyond that border, but why did you decide to stay, and have you been able to help?
I mean, the reason you stay, and you go through this every time a storm comes through. I've been here 21 years now, and I've been through a bunch of these storms. And the question is always, do you leave or not? The problem when you leave, it's really hard to get back. My wife was out of town during Floyd, and it took her over a week to 10 days to get back, just to get back to Wilmington. You get cut off. In that time, you have, especially for what I do, we have all these patients that need to be seen. The acute patients are covered over in the hospital right now, but people forget about all the outpatients that need to come in. They need their medicines. They need to be seen. And if we're not here, then they have nowhere to go. That's
a great idea, and we really thank you for thinking that way and putting yourself there to stay. What do you expect, 40 seconds left, what do you expect to happen the next few days, and how will you be able to do that?
Well, hopefully we're not sure of power. They say it can take 10 days before we've got our power back. We're going to try to go up to the office on Monday if we're allowed to be up there and open up. I do expect a lot more flooding. I know I-40's already is shut up in Duplin County, so we're already having problems with people getting back here. So we're just going to do the best that we can to do what we need to do.
Dr. Ben Wall, we thank you, and I know all our viewers thank you. You are carrying out the Hippocratic Oath in such a marvelous way. We want you to stay safe and take care of your patients.